Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I've got a Walmart haul and a few things from a few other places that I had to go. So I am pretty good still on my meats. I just needed filler things, random things, produce, stuff like that. So I'm gonna go through the Walmart stuff really quickly. I think this was like 80 bucks, $78, something like that. I got some hot dog rolls. I like the New England style, which are just cut different on the side. I don't know how to explain it. But I got those because I want to do some Nathan's cheddar cheese beef franks. These have been out of stock for like a month, but I finally got the last package today because I want to grill these. They're also easy since we're home now for lunches. So I got the rolls with the dogs. I thought I was done with switching over from Wallflowers, but I needed one more. So I got my last one, and it comes with a little refill pack in the Gain scent. I just really like these. I've used Wallflowers from Bath & Body Works for many, many years, but I just like these better. So this was the last one that I needed, and it was nice to get the refill with it. I did get an apple pie because I'm gonna do sort of like a mini Thanksgiving dinner night since we're all home. Why not? So I'm gonna do like a whole roasted chicken instead of a turkey. I'm gonna do like mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, stuffing, sweet potatoes, and then I thought it would be fun just to do like a Dutch apple pie for a dessert to make it sort of feel a little bit more Thanksgiving-ish. I got a red bell pepper. I got a yellow squash, a zucchini, an English cucumber. This is just for like salads and snacking. These I got for skewers or, you know, sauteing. Same with the pepper. I got a big head of cauliflower for roasting. My son's raspberries, he goes through one of these a week. I got some of the Kozy Shack cinnamon raisin rice pudding. I love this stuff. Every once in a while, I'll just like scoop a little out in a bowl and put some cinnamon on it. It's just a really good like random little dessert. I got some Capri Sun Roaring Waters. These are the clear ones in strawberry kiwi for all of us. I got the Yoplait Smooth. This is the blueberry Yoplait for my son because it has no pieces of fruit because he will literally throw up texture-wise if any fruit or chunks are in his yogurt. So 2 blueberry and 1 of this Starburst orange flavor, again with no chunks or no, you know, fruit in it. I also got this for my son. It's the Aussie Kids 3-in-1. It is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in one. We have one in the shower now that's almost empty. I think it actually might be empty. But I like this for my son because he takes showers on his own, and it's just easier for him to have a 3-in-1 rather than have to switch between a shampoo bottle, a conditioner bottle, a body wash bottle. This just makes his life and my life a little bit easier, because he knows he can just wash his hair and his body with this, and it's like $5. It's really good. I also needed mouthwash for my son. He likes the Act Kids. He likes all the flavors. We've tried like bubblegum, watermelon, pineapple, grape. There's like a berry one, and he just really likes them, and anything that gets him excited to like rinse his mouth and brush his teeth and all that, I'll take it. I got some Daisy sour cream for my husband because I make certain dishes with that he wants sour cream on, so I picked that up. Some animal crackers. I've been buying these for my son, but I actually started liking them, and I ate most of the last bag. They're pretty small, but they're just like a good, I don't know, they're just like a good plain snack that's a little bit sweet. I don't know, there's just something about them. They're good. I can't find any other sizes other than this one, otherwise I wouldn't get this one because it's pretty tiny. Our usual Cheez-It Extra Toasty. I've been telling you guys we've been murdering these boxes. We still have some from the last box, but I gotta get a backup because sometimes these are sold out. What else here? I got some oyster crackers because I like to have these sometimes in soups. And these were like way cheaper than the name brand, which I think was by, what is that brand? The Saltine brand, the brand that makes saltine. Is it premium? I can't remember. Anyways, I got these for soups if I have soups. It also says to put them on salads. I've never thought of that, but I'm gonna try it because why not? But this bag was like 80 cents. I got regular mouthwash for my husband and I. It was cheaper value-wise to get the 2-pack. One of them was like $5 and 2 was $7, so it just made more sense to get 2, and we do go through it quite frequently. I also got these. I showed these in a recent lunch video. I actually bought a box of these over football season, which was a few months ago, and I had a few left that I had for a lunch that I shared again in that lunch video. They were actually really good. So I got another box. They're great just to have for a quick lunch for my husband and I, with a little salsa to dip in. He'll probably dip his in sour cream. I know they're not healthy, but it's just an easy option for a once in a while thing for a lunch. And they were like $4 something, I think, and there's 8 of them. They're large though. So we can each have 4, and that'll be like a quick and easy lunch for us. I'm trying the Great Value Original Chips. These are like the Lay's dupe, and I love Lay's Original, the yellow bag. So I'm trying them out of curiosity because we've been doing a lot of sandwiches, and obviously with sandwiches we like chips and a pickle. So I figured I would give these a shot. My son asked for these Rolled Gold Tiny Twist Cheddar Pretzels. He likes these every once in a while. Also, if you can hear a chainsaw going, I apologize. I have to film this haul right now, and my husband is right outside here cutting down a tree. I got coffee creamer for myself. I like the Italian sweet cream, sugar-free. I still have about, I don't know, half a container of my other one, but creamer is something and coffee is something I always make sure I have a backup because I can't be out of coffee. I just can't. My husband's hazelnut creamer from Great Value. He also has one of these in the fridge already, half empty, but I figure when it gets towards half, I restock. I also got a gallon of water for my coffee. From PetSmart, I had to go to PetSmart. My cat obviously has to eat, and she is an essential priority. So I got her dry food, which is this Hill Science Diet, sensitive stomach and skin. She seems to do really well with this. I've had her on Science Diet the past 10 plus years. And this is the one she seems to do the best on. She is like 14 now. Yeah, 14 or a little over 14. So I'm not really going to plan on changing anything now at this point in her life. This is something I did switch though in the past like 6 months-ish. I switched her onto this wellness brand Shreds variety pack. There are 8 in here, but I can get 2 days worth out of 1 pack. So one of these is 16 days. Hopefully that makes sense. But anyways, I just give her like half a packet a day. Yes, half a packet a day, so I can get, you guys know what I'm saying. I'm all discombobulated right now, but this is her wet food that she uses, that she eats. And then I stopped at the bagel store. I actually just called in an order. I called in a lunch order for my husband and I, and you can also pre-order bagels and cream cheese. Everything there is homemade, literally everything. So I got 2 cinnamon raisin, 2 everything, a sesame and a plain, and then I got some of their homemade scallion and chive cream cheese for my husband. I don't eat cream cheese, I just don't like it. So I grabbed that, and all I had to do, I already had prepaid it online. I just had to run in. They have a section to pick it up, no human contact, and I wear gloves and a mask everywhere I go anyway. So I ran in, grabbed my order, and thought I would just throw that in here since I did all my errands kind of in one big swoop. I planned it that way. But this is everything I picked up for the week, and I'm going to share now my meal plan for next week. Alright, so meal plan for the upcoming week. I'm going to do some pasta with meat sauce. I don't know what kind of pasta because I have several different varieties to choose from, but I'll just do like a simple meat sauce. And then I'll do a salad and then maybe some fresh bread on the side. I'm going to do chicken parm one night with some baked ziti. I think I have a cooking video on this as a complete meal together, so I'll link that below. It's also in my cooking playlist if I forget. We have some shrimp to use up, so I'm going to thaw it out, probably skewer it. We will grill it on the barbecue grill. It takes like 5 minutes. I'll do some roasted cauliflower and rice or potato on the side. We're going to do like a Thanksgiving style dinner next week. I'm going to do a whole roast chicken, mashed potatoes, green bean casserole. I might do stuffing. Not really sure yet. Depends if I have all the stuff to make it. And then I do have an apple pie that you guys saw that I'm going to make for that meal for like a dessert. Another night we're going to do pork chops or sausage depending on what I'm in the mood for. We will grill up some veggies either in the grill pan or I will skewer them and make veggie skewers. Rice or sweet potatoes, I have both. And then for our no meat night next week, I'm going to do a tray of broccoli mac and cheese. I know I have a cooking video on my mac and cheese, so it's the same variation. I just add broccoli. And I'll just do a salad on the side, and this makes a ton, so we'll have lunch for the next day. And of course I have my freebie night, which I can do leftovers, breakfast for dinner. We sometimes do takeout, it just really depends. But trying to keep it pretty simple with a lot of grilled items. But this is the meal plan for next week. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week.